Hi everyone! In this video, we'll talk about how to use Titely tutorial for beginners. So first, what is Titely? Titely is a digital platform designed to help churches manage online giving, churches app and websites, event registration, communication tools, people and people and groups, accounting and finance. Now, on getting started, create an account. Go to get.ly and sign up as a church admin. Choose the tools you needed, giving church app, websites, etc. Verify your email. And set up your organization profile. Now, on set up online giving, first activate giving. From the dashboard, click on Giving. Then go to Settings. Set up your bank account to receive donations. Choose your giving categories. Example, tithes, missions, or building fund. Now, customize your giving page. Add your church logo and background. Customize giving options, one-time or recurring, debit or credit, or ACH. Share the giving link on your church, website, bulletins, or social media. Embed or share your giving link. You can embed a giving form or on your website or link it directly. Use Titely's text to give feature by setting up a phone number and keyword. Now, create a church app or website. Go to My Products and choose Apps or Sites. Use templates to create a church app with sermon uploads, event calendar, prayer requests, and giving options. Or build a website with Titely sites. No coding needed. Now use Titely People or CRM. Go to People in the dashboard to manage church members. Add individuals or import a CSV file with their contacts. Organize members into groups, for example, youth ministry or volunteers. Next, setting up events and registrations. Go to Events and New Event. Add details like event name, location, time, and registration costs, if any. Now, accept payments and track RSVPs online. Now, track donations and reports. Use the giving dashboard to track weekly or monthly giving, view the top donors, generate year-end giving statements, export donations reports as CSV or PDF for accounting. And lastly, communicate with your congregation or congregation. Use messages to send emails or texts to your groups. Schedule reminders, prayer updates, or announcements. Now, here are some pro tips for you. First, encourage recurring giving during services and via email. Next, set up custom giving campaigns, for example, holiday giving or mission trips. And lastly, train volunteers or finance teams using Titely's free video resources and help center. And that's basically it.